Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we will be finishing off this half of our Christmas doily. To begin, we want to thread through the 4th and 5th side beads. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we want to take our other end and we want to add on 3 red beads. And take both strings and cross with a red bead. Then we'll need 2 red beads and cross with a red. And 2 red beads and cross with a red. Now we need 1 red bead, a yellow bead, and cross with a yellow bead. And we need 2 yellow beads, and cross with the yellow. We need 2 yellow and cross with the yellow. Then we need a red bead, a green, and cross with a green. Then we need 2 green and cross with the green. And now we need a green, a red, and cross with a yellow. And that is the first half of this row. Now we need 2 yellows and cross with a yellow. And then 2 yellows and cross with a yellow. need one yellow, one red, and cross with red. We need two reds and cross with red. We need two reds and cross with red. And now we need two reds and cross with red. And that is our row. Now we are going to thread back. This time we're going to thread back 2 circles. Okay, that's one. And that's 2. And now we want to be coming out this 6th side bead. So the string coming in towards our finished work, we want to go through 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the other string, just go through 2, and there we have both our strings coming out of the 6th side bead. Now the one coming down towards our row, we'll also go through the 7th side bead. And now we're ready to add our last row. Now the string coming towards the end of our row, we're going to add 3 reds, and then we're going to take both strings and cross a yellow. Now we want 2 yellows and cross a yellow. And again 2 yellows. and cross a yellow, then we need 2 reds and cross a red, and again 2 reds and cross a red, two reds and cross a red, two reds, cross a yellow, and then 2 yellows and cross a yellow, two yellows and cross a yellow. Now 2 reds. Oh, actually these are the last beads, so before I add them, here is how the row looks so far. And we're going to add our last 3 beads, which will all be red, to our left string. And then we'll tie our knot. Slip it inside our bead. And then we'll thread back through. cut off the excess. And there we have the finished half of our pattern. Now this is the last video in this series, but don't panic. Just as the pattern is mirrored top to bottom, it is also mirrored left to right. So all you need to do is follow 3 steps. The first is to turn your piece. You want to turn your piece over so that you're ready to add the second half of your pattern. Then you want to add your string. What you'll do is you'll take your new string and you will add it going through the 2nd and 3rd bead. So going from here 1 to the 2nd, and 3rd bead, and that prepares you to add your next row. Then you will want to go to part 2, which is this URL. I will also be providing a link on the end of this video. And then you want to go about 5 minutes in to the video where you begin the 2nd row. And there you'll start and you'll add to this other string and you'll just follow, and from there you just come right back all the way to this video and you will have the second half of your doily. I hope that you enjoyed making the doily, and I'll see you at the end of the other half.